A loud sound would be hard, and a quiet sound would be soft. Hi, little stars. I have a bowl of toys, and I'm trying to figure out if they're hard or soft. I think we might be able to figure it out if we listen for the sound when we drop it in the bowl, if it makes a quiet sound or a loud sound. A loud sound would be hard, and a quiet sound would be soft. Let's give it a try. You have a blue wiggly worm. What sound do you think it'll make? Oh, that was soft. Our wiggly worm is soft. It looks like we have a hot pepper. Do you think it'll be loud or soft? That was loud. That must mean it's hard. Thank you, little stars, for helping me figure out which toys were hard and which toys were soft. Let's play again next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.